morning. Listen to teacher. Alright? Today we will make a Christmas tree. Say, Christmas tree. What's that? Christmas tree. Alright, very good. Every group have a Christmas tree. Now, tell me, this is star. Wait, star.
This is a Christmas tree. This is a penguin. This is a Santa. This is a candy. This is a sleeping.
What is this? Okay. If you, where's your star? Star, say star. Okay, star. Banjak, what is it? Star. Gawin sila, what is this? Star. Okay, very good. How about this one? What is it? Star. Oy, very good. Again, what's that? Yeah, star. Okay.
Color one.
What is this? Candy. What is that? Candy cane. What is it? Candy cane.
Is the snowman, is the reindeer, is the bill, is the candy.
What is this?
Bill.
Bell. Very good. That is bell. What is this?
Reindeer. It is bill. It is sock. It is candy. Thank you.